Hello everyone. Recently, India has reached 50% of the non-fossil fuel installed capacity. This was actually targeted for 2030. However, India has reached the target 5 years before. This was determined in nationally determined contributions to the Paris Agreement in COP26 in United Kingdom. Now, we have 50.08% of the non-fossil fuel installed capacity, of which renewable energy is at 38%, hydro, that is large hydro, is at 10.19%, and the nuclear is at 1.81%. We will discuss the schemes which have helped in achieving this target. First one is PM Kusum. In this, solar pumps would be installed for feeder level solarization in the farms, which would benefit the farmers. Now, the second scheme is PM Suryagar Muft Bijli Yojana. In this, there are free rooftop solar panels installation. The third one is National Wind Solar Policy. The fourth one is the National Green Hydrogen Policy, in which 5 million ton per annum green hydrogen production is targeted by 2030. The other Panchamrit goal commitments in COP26 are net zero carbon emission by 2070 and the carbon reduction, that is cut off the total projected emissions by 1 billion tons by 2030. And the third one is 500 gigawatts non-fossil fuel electricity capacity by 2030. And also the fourth one is reducing the emission intensity by 45% from the levels of 2005. Do let me know in the comment section where were COP27, 28 conducted, which belong to UNFCCC. Thank you.